Hello guys, my name is Sreyesh Varma. So today we're gonna unbox this Lenovo Legion 5i laptop, which comes under a price range of 70 to 75,000 rupees. And I'm gonna tell about the specifications of that laptop too. So watch till the end. This is just a unboxing and kind of initial impressions and kind of video. So I haven't given any crucial reviews about this video. This laptop yet. So if you wanna know detailedly about this laptop, I'll be making a video of a review of this laptop. So comment down below and let's start. So without any further delay, let's just unbox this and open this box. So when compared to the laptop, this is a relatively large box. So yeah, that's what it is. And there are some written specifications on the side of this box. You can even check them here. So let's just cut the seal and open this box. Okay, so let's open this. This is how it looks like when we flip the box open. A charging dock and an adapter. This is a 170 watt adapter. So yeah, it is a large adapter. Let's just open this. This is a 3-pin adapter and DC input from to the laptop. It is a rectangular shaped input charger, and that's it. These are all the contents that you get in the this box with the laptop. So let's just open this laptop first. So yeah, this is how it looks. It is a matte black finish laptop, which is very beautiful looking color, and yeah, you'll be even getting this rainbow finish for the Legion print on this laptop. You can see this in the video. So let's just open this now. Here it is. This is a laptop, Lenovo Legion 5i laptop. Talking about the ports of this laptop, it comes with 4 USB A port and a HDMI 2.0, a Ethernet jack and a headphone jack, and USB C port also, and a charging port, obviously. So let's talk about the main specifications of this laptop. So this laptop usually comes with a 8 GB RAM, or there is a two type variant in these laptops. So one with a 8 GB RAM and one with a 16 GB of RAM, and the CPU is also the same. They'll be providing you i5 10th gen and an i7 10th gen variant. Coming to the storage section, they'll be giving you a 1 TB HDD and a 256 GB SSD, and Windows is booted on 256 GB SSD. So talking about the battery, it comes with a 170 watt battery and even supports the fast charging. So usually it lasts around 3 to 4 hours of battery in medium to high average high usage. So if you are a low user, you are just checking the browser apps or scrolling into the Instagram, it will easily cross the limit of 5 hours. The graphic card of this laptop, it comes with a dedicated NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti graphic card, which is pretty capable of handling AAA titles in 1080p resolution and even 60 frames, and push the limit at least up to 60 frames per second, which is a pretty good thing. This laptop is pretty capable of most of the games. And talking about the design of this laptop, it is a unique laptop, I'd rather say, and most of the boards are on the back side of this laptop, so that it will be a more convenient and wireless experience kind of thing, which is a good thing from Lenovo. It has a backlit keyboard, and yeah, the keyboard is pretty good. There are most of the laptops in the market out there with this price range, which comes with a but dumb keyboard. But this keyboard is kind of good, and yeah, it is pretty satisfying. And the touchpad is precision touchpad. I have no complaints with them, but they don't have dedicated right and left buttons, which is a bit of concerning. But yeah, it will be used to. And talking about the display of this laptop, it comes with a 120 hertz 1080p display. So this Lenovo Legion 5i comes in a price range of 70 to 75,000 rupees. So it is categorized like medium to high ranged laptop. It can even run most of the games, yeah, even at high resolution at 60 frames per second. And that's it. Like the video and share this to your friends so that they can also get some knowledge about this laptop. And please don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, bye.